And the walking begins. Ito kasing magiging ruta ko every morning. So, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Yay! Ang ganda! Wow!
This one? Yeah. And this.
Yellow.
Chocolates.
Dapat na tayo.
Day 4. Diyan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung gaano kainit. Wow! Sobrang init. So satisfying. Ta-da!
I can do a big jump up into the air. Wow.
Go. Shake. Ko na yung amin kasi wala na kaming mga ano tawag dun? Mga boxes, tingnan nyo. Tadaan! Hi! Napagod. Pagod yan?
No, because Daddy
orang. Opo din ako. So beautiful here, really.
Bye-bye.
What do I have? Is
Pomegranate.
Isiada.
Isiada.
Pomegranate.
Wow. Tapos kalahati lang.
Okay.
Ay, hindi. Wow.
So yellow.
And then I like their ice cup here. It's not, it's hard.
So nasakto na nila yung size.
And what do I have? I have, we don't need, mali pala, butter pala to. Smooth like butter. Yes,
Smooth like
ice
butter.
caramel.